In this video, you'll learn how to use Claude Code with Kubernetes to set up a Node.js application. By following this guide, you will create a project folder, initialize your app, and prepare necessary Kubernetes files for deployment. Begin by opening PowerShell on your machine to create a new project folder. Type mkdir myk8 sap and press enter. This command creates a directory named myk8 sap. Next, navigate into this folder by entering cd myk8 app. You should now be inside the project directory. Now initialize your node.js application. Type npm init-y and hit enter. This command generates a default package.json file with all necessary configurations. Following this, install Express by entering npm install express and pressing enter. This will download and install the Express framework for your application. Next, you need to create the main server file. Type notepad server.js quote and press enter. This opens Notepad where you will write your server code. Paste the following code into the file: constants express equals require express const port ort process.end. Port vertical bar 3000 app.get rex equals rexensend hello Kubernetes apt import console.log server running on port. After pasting, save the file and close Notepad. You can now test your application locally in PowerShell. Type node server.js quote and press enter to run the server. Open your web browser and navigate to http://localhost 3000. If you see hello Kubernetes displayed, your application is working correctly. To stop the server, return to PowerShell and press Ctrl+C. Next, you will ask Claude Code to prepare the necessary Kubernetes files. Start Claude by typing Claude and pressing enter. Once Claude is running, paste the following request: generated Kubernetes deployment files for my node.js Express app. Requirements: Docker container runs node.js app. Deployment YAML with 2 replicas. Service YAML exposing port 3000 config map for environment variables. Keep it simple and ready to use. Return only YAML files content. After Claude generates the files, you will see quote deployment.yaml, quote service.yaml, and potentially quote configmap.yaml. Copy these contents and prepare to exit Claude by typing exit. Now create the Kubernetes files by typing notmapad deployment.yaml quote in PowerShell and press enter. Paste Claude's deployment YAML into Notepad, then save and close the file. Repeat this process for notepad service.yaml quote to paste the service YAML. If you received a config map, create it with notepad configmap.yaml quote and paste the content. Save all files before proceeding. After creating the necessary files, you will build your Docker image. In PowerShell, type docker build-t my node app and press enter to build the image. If you are using Docker Hub, you may want to tag your image. Use docker tag my node at your Docker Hub username /my node app, and then push it using docker push your Docker Hub username /my node app. To apply your Kubernetes files, ensure that kubectl is configured to your cluster. Enter kubectl apply-f configmap.yaml, followed by kubectl apply-f deployment.yaml quote and kubectl apply-f service.yaml. After applying these files, check the status of your pods and services by typing kubectl get pods and kubectl get services. Your Node.js application should now be successfully running on the cluster. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.